Today, we're going to review the top 5 best mop for linoleum floors that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop. We start with a steam mop. Preference: Bissell Symphony is a quintessential steam mop with a slight twist. And the twist is that it is also a vacuum cleaner. We thus put it in the category of the best linoleum floor cleaning machine. And there it will topple even some of the best ones. Use the steam and vacuum feature wisely by skipping the dusting altogether the day you plan to use Bissell Symphony to clean your linoleum floor. It will cut off half the work and save you time and energy.
Number 2.
Bissell Crosswave Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Searching for the best wet and dry mop for linoleum floors, here it is. Once again, it's Bissell, but Crosswave. It has a long 25 feet cord, which lets you roam quite far from the socket to clean the house. You do not need to bend or put force to clean the mess and stain because this one is a powerful cleaner with a swivel head. You can save time not dusting and directly vacuum and wash the floor with it, but we suggest you do the dusting prior if you have time in hand. This will save you from all the mess the small dust particles will cause to the dirt tank to a large extent. Crosswave pulls and picks the dirt and grease up into the dirt tank and mops the floor with the brush roll.
Number 3.
Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. This one is easily the best dust mop for linoleum floors. Made of sturdy aluminium alloy, it is durable and easy on your arms due to its light build. Not just the linoleum floors, you can hold it up to clean the wall. Go figure. The microfiber pads will not come out clean if you are not cleaning them properly. We suggest washing them twice if possible. It has a large mop head, about 17 to 18 inches in width. With one sweep, the mop pad covers a good space. Coming to the pads, you get 2 microfiber ultra-absorbent thick pads and 2 scrub pads. Use the scrub pads on stubborn stains and thick grease.
Number 4.
Cedar Promist Max Spray Mop. This simple, convenient spray mop is, without a doubt, the best wet mop for linoleum floors. Use it for dry dusting because it does that pretty well too. But the way it quickly wraps up the time-consuming sweeping without saturating the floor is surprising. It eliminates more than 99% of bacteria. Always make sure to spray the nozzle after you are done cleaning to remove the cleaning solution from there. Or it will stop working sooner than you expected it to.
Number 5.
Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. We started with a steam mop, and we are ending with one too. Preference: remember? It's Bissell one last time. It is a convenient steam mop with an easy fill water tank. The water heats up within 15 seconds and emits powerful steam. It comes with a water measuring cup too. Use it as many times as you want to clean a sticky mess, but it should be used no more than twice a month to mop the whole house. The innovative Boost brush helps in powerful spot cleaning. It is great for scrubbing the sticky mess from the surface. The microfiber pad is fluffy but effective on the dirt and debris.
Yeah.
hope you like the best mop for linoleum floors we select for this year. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the best mop for linoleum floors which are listed here, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.